The Ferrari 296 GTS, a masterpiece of performance, technology, and elegance. This convertible hybrid supercar is a game-changer in the world of high-performance driving. Let's dive into its full specifications and see what makes this prancing horse truly special. Segment 1. Engine and Performance B-roll, close-up of engine bay and exhaust system. At the heart of the 296 GTS lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This hybrid powertrain produces a combined output of 819 horsepower and 740 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The result: a breathtaking 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, and a top speed of 330 km/h to 105 mph. Segment 2. Hybrid System and Electric Mode. B-roll, animation of powertrain and electric mode. The plug-in hybrid system is equipped with a 7.45 kWh lithium-ion battery, allowing up to 25 kilometers, 15 miles of pure electric range. In a drive mode, the car runs silently, making it efficient for city drives, while the qualifying mode unlocks full power for maximum performance. Segment 3. Aerodynamics and Design B-roll. Drone shots of the car in motion, wind tunnel testing. The design of the 296 GTS is inspired by Ferrari's rich heritage, with sculpted aerodynamics enhancing both aesthetics and performance. The retractable hardtop opens in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km/h, 28 mph. The active aerodynamic components include a hidden rear spoiler, contributing to high-speed stability and downforce. Segment 4. Interior and Technology B-roll, cockpit view, steering wheel, digital displays. Step inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the steering wheel-mounted controls ensure an immersive driving experience. The luxurious leather and Alcantara seats, combined with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, create the perfect blend of comfort and technology. Segment 5. Driving Experience and Sound. B-roll. Exhaust notes, POV driving footage. The Ferrari 296 GTS offers multiple driving modes: drive, hybrid, performance, and qualifying, each delivering a unique experience. But what truly sets this car apart is its sound, a high-pitched Piccolo V12 tone, making it one of the best-sounding V6 engines ever built. Cinematic montage, Ferrari logo fade out. The Ferrari 296 GTS is more than just a car, it's an engineering marvel that blends power, efficiency, and whether on the track or the open road, this convertible hybrid supercar is designed to thrill. This is Ferrari redefining performance once again. Subscribe, like, and comment.